Template routing is fun and is useful in many projects. However, one of the problems is that the template bits with an integrated bearing limits you to certain bits, and sometimes you might want to use a template bushing such as these. These will allow you to use different bits that don't necessarily come with bearings. You're no longer limited to those constraints, and bits with bearings can be rather expensive. Problem is, my router is a Bosch, and it does not come with a base that accepts standard template bushings. These are the Porter cable style. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a new base that will be interchangeable, that will be used for template routing. I start with a piece of plexiglass from my dad's business that I've been storing for years. This is a nice piece of solid and hard plexiglass that will be perfect for this effort. First I start with drilling the larger hole, and then I will follow up with the smaller hole that goes through. That way I don't lose the center point to indicate where the rest of the hole should be. What's up? Oh, okay. Now comes the hard part, drilling the hole for the bushing itself. First you need to find the center, and probably the best way to deal with that is find the center of the router base. Again, I drill the larger hole first, and then I'll drill the through hole later. Drilling such a large hole through this plexiglass with a hand drill leaves something to be desired. So off to the drill press I go. By making the holes slightly larger than they need to be, both in the bushings and in the mounting holes, it makes it easier to mount the bracket and use a center finding bit and still make minor adjustments. Finally, just remember, after every woodworking project, you should always count your fingers. You end with 10, good job.